Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to install Windows 11 on unsupported PCs. Firstly, visit the Microsoft Support website and download the Windows 11 disk image ISO. Now, download Rufus from its official website and connect a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage. Open Rufus and select your USB drive under Device. Select and choose the downloaded Windows ISO file. Click these options under Image options like Remove requirement for 4 GB plus RAM, Remove requirements and create a local account and username. Click Start to create the bootable USB. Now, after it's finished, just insert the USB drive into your unsupported PC and boot from it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Windows 11. Select Custom Installation to perform a clean install and choose the driver you want to install, Windows, and proceed. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.